Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to prevent your owner channel from managing video chats on Telegram web with the latest update. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a minute, so let's get right into it. First, open Telegram web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account that owns the channel you want to adjust. Once you're on the main screen, look for the channel on the left sidebar and click to open it. Now that you're inside your channel, head up to the three lines icon at the top of the page. This opens the main menu. From here, select Edit to access your channel settings. This is where you can control different aspects of how your channel operates. Next, go into the Administrator section. You'll see a list of all admins who have specific roles and permissions within your channel. Find and click on the Owner option. This is the account that holds the highest access level in your channel. Once you're inside the owner's permission settings, look for the option labeled Manage Video Chats. By default, it might be checked, giving the owner control over creating and managing live video sessions. To prevent this, simply uncheck the box next to it. After unchecking Manage Video Chats, move your cursor to the top corner and click the tick icon to save your changes.